All right, so we about to cut up in the Gle63S. Hey, let me hear it. Hey, so we got a little suspect right here. Little M. Go. Oh. We gotta show him. We gotta show this guy. Oh, he got two.
Next time, bro.
You got two. Oh! Come on. Oh, there's gonna be a two lanes right there.
That's a fucking flame right there.
That shot right there. That's a flame, yo.
Yup.
Hey, you like that? You like that?
Cowboys getting money.
No money. Oh, he wants it. He wants it. He saw the badge. He's like, nah.
Hit it with the bounce.
Look at these houses.
Taking the GLE to the D.
Terrorizing the hood.
Yes,
Hey, we lowering crime right now. He said nah.
Oh, I seen that fucking flame shot at the back. He said nah.
Yeah. Wait, who's barbecuing at a car wash? Did you see
Car
that?
wash?
Did you see? Yeah, they were
Really?
they were barbecuing inside the car wash.
I didn't see it, sir.
Inside the car wash bay.
Fuck. I didn't see it.
Is he turning?
Yeah, it's turning up. Don't mind up.
Put your
Shows
get on the left. On three! On three! He said no. He said no, not here, baby. I'm good.
What?
He said not here, not on this road.
About it, bro.
He not about it.
Who was fucking about that shit, cut? Oh, shit, right
Where's the C? Where's the C63?
Thomas. This is where Adam took his pictures at, by the way. Should we flick up here?
Yeah.
Later, after we eat?
Bah. How do you time that? So, how do you time that at like at 100? You're timing that. That's crazy. Hey, you know where we should go? downtown. That with that tunnel, you know what that tunnel is? There, Hey, imagine we catch Speed streaming.
Speed?
Yeah. Do you think he'd want to ride in this?
Bro, I swear if he was streaming, when he was here, I wanted to give him a ride so bad.
Pause.
I know. Hey, is he drunk or something? Why is he swerving like that? What is he doing? I hear the blow bells. Bye bye. Oh, he's coming. Another one. Oh. We cutting up. Man. Big body. Oh yeah. We in Mexico.